Welcome to Billion Farms. Ready to turn your farming dreams into reality? Let's get started. First tip, know your soil. Healthy soil means healthy plants. Test it, treat it, love it. Your plants will thank you. Second, get to know your crops. Different plants have different needs. Research what grows best in your area. Next up, water wisely. Too much or too little can spell disaster. Invest in a good irrigation system to keep your plants happy. And don't forget about crop rotation. It keeps the soil fresh and pests at bay. Now let's talk about tools. Quality tools save time and effort. A good hoe, tractor and watering system can make all the difference. Finally, stay connected. Join local farming groups, attend workshops and never stop learning. Farming is a journey, not a destination. Remember, successful farming takes patience, knowledge and a whole lot of heart. So get out there and start growing. Happy farming. Your journey awaits. Join the Billion Farms community. Subscribe to our channel for exclusive content, expert insights and engaging discussions. Show your support. Like our videos, share with your network, comment below with your thoughts together. Let's grow the Billion Farms community.